So these are Lavenders. Lavender Switches filmed and lubed with 205-D0. They're filmed with Kelowna films. The Bakeneko with, I think I'm saying that right, with PBT Sugar Plum, an artisan cap from Prime Caps, and clipped and lubed stabs that came stock with the build. So here we go. So yeah, this is gonna be $130. It comes with a carrying case, and this is the aluminum case here, so we'll switch back screens. Comes with an aluminum case. However, I want to note, I'm gonna turn down the camera so it's not blown out. Oh god, that's the wrong way. So you guys see, mine came with some little scuffs on the inside. All right, so can you guys see that? Is that easier to see? It's a little tough because it's E-white, or like is it E-white technically? It's A-white. I don't know if this is E-white coating or not, or a Cerakote or something. It might be E-white. Don't know. Or paint it. I'm not sure. I will get you more information on that, but it's a white color. There's some light scuffs. This part here has some texturing to it, so it's a little bit, it's cast aluminum, not machined. Yeah. However, I inspected the back and everywhere else around here, and the paint is completely flawless everywhere else. So if it's really for $130, if it's just in the middle, like on the inside where I'm not going to see, am I salty about that? Not really. I'm not upset at that at all. That's not going to bother me. You know, for all the cool stuff you get with this, like you get a carrying case. By the way, guys, not sponsored. I was sent one to review. I thought it'd be fun to review with you guys. So that's what we're doing. All right. This is going to be in stock, I believe. So it comes with that. Comes with an O-ring, FR4 plate, hot swap PCB, daughter board, which is awesome. And then it comes with some stabs in the box as well. Yeah, and that's basically it. And I think it also will offer a solderable PCB if you want to. So without further ado, I guess let's get into building it. We're going to have to start with our stabs. We'll use the provided ones. This is the case it comes with, by the way. Did I get a solderable PCB or a hot swap? I got hot swap. Nice. So here's the plate. Cool, cool. So we got a plate, our PCB, little canning keys. Let's see. Can I open this like this? Am I talented enough? Shabam. Actually, that's a slick looking color. I assume the vendor's canning keys. I don't know if there's any other vendors to this, but yes, canning keys. And they're going to come in white, black, dark blue, and aqua. So there's the PCB. Pretty nice. And we got our O-ring. Well, daughter board cable there, the GST connector. Some stickers and stuff. There's the daughter board. What's this? We got some feet. How does CRP compare to PBT? Well, it is PBT. It's a thicker it's thicker and it has, like, in my opinion, a better texture. But again, I think texture is very, like, obviously preference based. But I really like the texture of PBT. CRP. I also find that the PBT from the CRP sets not only feel better, but they have like a different sound profile as well, and it's probably from them being thicker as well. Actually, I don't know where the next drop of CRP is going to be. Is that going to be on drop again? Do you guys know? Is that going to be on drop? How is different is CRP versus ePBT? So I've heard that with both CRP and ePBT, you can get warp spacebars. With that being said, however, I have not gotten warp spacebars out of any of my CRP sets. I own 3 CRP sets. No warp spacebars for me. But every set of ePBT that I've ever received, I've had a warp spacebar. It's not the end of the world. I can typically get them fixed, you know, by just using like a hairdryer. That's what I do, like a hairdryer trick, where you can do, I think Way from KBD Pins did like a little what you can do to fix it. But it's still annoying. All right, let's start putting this thing together. It is hot swap, so we're just chit-chatting a little bit more today. So we got our first one. Let's put on the rest. Clip-in stabs are kind of cool though, because they literally just, as the name implies, clip in. So you don't gotta like screw anything down, so you really don't need a screwdriver for this set at all. Am I putting this on upside down? I totally am! What am I doing, guys? How is the paint job on the case? Like I said, there are some minor inside only scuffs, which you guys can kind of see. It's a little difficult. Here. But yeah, it's actually, like, on the outside, it's perfect. There's not one flaw on the outside, just on the inside. However, that's a known thing. I was reading through the list again, and they took some steps out of, I guess, the quality control or QC or the process of painting these to get the price low. So this is a $130 board. You're getting a PCB, the case, daughter board, O-ring, plate, and stabs for 130 bucks. So you're getting a fair amount of stuff. Gonna sell instantly. Oh, and a carrying case, right, Sniffles? And a carrying case. Alright, so if you guys see with the O-ring, we're just gonna drop it in place now. It should just fit into here. Push the O-ring in. There we go. So it is a bit of a stiffer O-ring fit, for sure. Actually, hold on a second. It's just a friction fit, yeah. That's what it is. All right, here it is. Beautiful. Lavender switches. Oh, that looks pretty with the lavender switches. What do you guys think? How'd you get a 3090? I got really lucky with it. And thank you guys so much again for the subs. I really do appreciate you guys. Lavender switches kind of do hit different though. Thank you, Ugtug. I appreciate totally getting this board and cerakoting it depending on the sound. Well, let's see. Let's put on some keycaps. Are you guys ready for the sound test? Do we want to do the sound test now? Yeah. Wait a second, guys. Lavenders are kind of the vibe with this. My friend Carter loves you. Tell your friend Carter he's awesome. All right, I think... That's my fault with the shift. Wasn't pressed down all the way. You guys are saying the backspace? I don't know. I think the backspace sounds pretty nice. Yeah. I think the backspace is completely fine, to be honest with you. How do lavenders feel? They feel good. No warping with the PBT spacebar. Okay, what do you guys think? I actually quite enjoy this. I should have spring swapped these lavenders though, because I'm not used to like the heavier springs now. Oh, why is my microphone so high up? Would you say this is thockier? Here, listen again. Would you say this is thocky? I think it has a bit of a clack. When I think like thocky, How does this compare to the new in Salvation? Let me unplug this for a second. So there is a tiny bit of flex with this. I'd still say it is a bit, like if you're looking for the flex, it's not there. I'd say this is a deeper clack. Let's pause the music again. I think this is definitely a deeper clack. But this is really clean looking. Again, for 130 here's the question though, chat. Here's the question. I don't know why I'm pausing it. Here's the question. $130, right? What? I mean, like, I do agree the backspace. Maybe it's just the backspace. I agree. But for 130 bucks, like, I don't know what else. I don't know what else you could do. Like, the whole board, the alphas sound great. You can kind of hear the backspace more accentuated, like a bit of hollowness, I guess, but yeah, just get better at typing. Use the backspace left, forehead, dude. So I also think that people wondering about the what's it called? The layout. I think there is a solderable version for different layouts too. We'll also be offering a few extras alongside the Bakeneko, which is solderable PCB extending the layout support. So there is going to be some extra layouts for everyone wondering. So there's that too. Best budget 60. Maybe this for $130. Guys, I'm stressing this one more time. I don't know what else I expect for 130 bucks. I think this sounds amazing. I think this feels really good. It has a daughter board. It's hot swap for people who want to do that. God damn, dude. Thank you, Rusty. Dude, Rusty, I'm turning red. Why am I turning red for? Rusty, thank you so much, dude. Oh my god. Rusty, thank you so fucking much. I got one again. Dude, thank you so much, Rusty. Oh my goodness. Rusty, wait, thank you so much. I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much. I'm like sweating. Why am I sweating now? Thank you, Rusty. Oh my god. Yeah, but again, I don't know what else we could have done to this board. Someone mentioned stabs earlier. I think the clip-ins are totally fine, and the clip-ins come with the build. You can't even really argue that. They come with it. You know? It's really hard to argue anything with this. You know, if we're going to be super critical, yeah, maybe like the paint quality inside could have been a little better. But again, like that's transparent right from the get-go to help cut costs. So for 130 bucks, with the exception of getting switches and keycaps, I think this is fantastic. Let's do another sound test. Let's do one last sound test, yeah?